Assalamu alaikum, respected parents. This tutorial today will be covering on how to book for the upcoming parent-teacher meetings, PTM. In a couple of days, you'll be receiving a letter with all the details and information with the upcoming parent-teacher meetings. Now, when you receive this letter, you'll receive a link. And in this link, you will click on it and you'll find a page with all the details on how to book your child's PTM. The first thing you will do is you will select a service and you'll select a teacher depending on your child's grade level. Once that is completed, you'll come up to a calendar where you can book to your convenience the date that is convenient for you with the time. Now you'll also select the teacher that you would like to meet. Follow that, you'll go into your details. You'll include your name with an accurate email, and phone number and address are optional. If you'd like to add any notes or specific notes to the teacher beforehand, please do so. And you may book. Now once you book, you'll receive a confirmation with the time and the date and with the teacher that you have booked with. Now please feel free if you would like to cancel or reschedule before the time that you have booked. Not to mention that if you'd like to book with another teacher, you may add new booking.